Salesforce Emergency Response Management lets government agencies, public health organizations, and private employers launch a best-in-class response to serve their communities in times of crisis. Now, community members can visit their government's website for the latest information on emergency situations, like the COVID-19 pandemic. Here, they can be guided through self-assessments to help determine if they have symptoms, and book appointments to get tested. Public health organizations can then gather and analyze information results using Einstein Analytics, and look deeper into hotspots to track and monitor trends based on reported test results. Then, manual contact tracers can use data to better understand the disease spread, and engage with those who have come into contact with the patient, quickly gathering details on their current testing status. Public health officials can then contact those who are at high risk of exposure with scripted evaluation templates to gather information on their current health, and capture key social determinants to determine which services patients may need, like elderly care, food delivery if quarantined, or medication assistance. While governments and public sector agencies can set up self-service communities to help citizens and residents find the resources they need during a crisis, submit requests for support, and track status of incident requests. Government agencies can also evaluate request queues and optimize disbursement of available resources to meet citizens' needs. And as the crisis passes its peak, employers can quickly evaluate employee health and understand the issues they face, while staying in contact to increase employee safety and mitigate health risks when they return to work. See how to respond with vital services when your community needs it most with Salesforce.